Welcome to Storytime with CandyGram. Today we are reading Baby Animals Flat Book from Usborne. It's springtime and there are lots of baby animals on the farm. Who's making a noise in the barn? Moo! It's the cow. There are some hungry sheep in the meadow. Can you guess who's being noisy in the hay? Baa! Baa! It's the baby sheep. The farm cats can hear something inside the tractor. Who do you think it is? Meow! Meow! You see the kitties in the tractor? It's feeding time for the hens. Can you find out who's being noisy in the hen house? Cheep, 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 cheep. You see the baby chicks? There are lots of rabbits in the rabbit run, but who's rustling inside the hut? Rustle, rustle, rustle. More bunnies, baby bunnies. All the big animals are out in the fields, but where are their babies? Baa! Meow! Cheep! Moo! Rustle, rustle. They're all in the barn. You see the kitty cats and the duckies and the cow. Have a great day. Do your best and be your best.